Takes us to our talk of the tape, the rally, the second half, and whether tech can continue to carry stocks higher. Alex Kantrowitz, founder of Big Technology and a CNBC contributor, joins us right here, right now. So, Apple on the doorstep again. Is the second time going to be the charm for the $3 trillion stock?
Feels like it should, right? Because the last time Apple reached $3 trillion, there were things on the horizon that looked really menacing. For instance, supply chain issues. We were on the doorstep of Omicron, or actually in the thick of Omicron. Inflation was about to get started. Rate raises were coming. We've been through all of that now, right? So we know what's in store for the market. And the fact that the company's been through that and is about to hit $3 trillion again leads me to believe that this is much more sustainable.
You suggest, though, that the pressure is on now because it's coming off of 2 quarters of consecutively of sales declines. So if you're going to get to 3 and then hold the line, so to speak, you have to reverse that, don't you?
Heck yes. I mean, the fact that this thing is going to $3 trillion after a couple quarters of sales declines, and by the way, probably another one on the horizon, is like it boggles the mind. So then you look, well, why is this happening? Okay, $90 billion in share buybacks certainly help. So now what we have to see from Apple is either A, a reversal of this sales decline, or B, even more share buybacks. Now, do you want to commit to doing $90 billion of share buybacks, let's say, every year in order to keep your stock price where it is? I don't think that's a place you want to be if you're a company like Apple.
You need to reverse, and you kind of have, and you think you're going to continually reverse the decline in iPhone sales and the sales growth, right, which was down 8.2% in the first quarter of 23. It rebounded up 1.5% in second quarter of 23. We need to keep going in that direction now.
Absolutely. And by the way, the 15, I'm excited for the 15. I think for the first time we might see USB-C charging at the bottom of that thing as opposed to the traditional Apple charger. We have many people who are waiting to upgrade. Maybe that's the compelling event. Maybe they continue to expand their, little island they have at the top of that thing, and all of a sudden people want to upgrade. I think this iPhone 15 will show some strength for sure.
What about the time frame of that, right? You're talking about the new iPhone, the September quarter. That's when, they put all the money on the line, right, for the September quarter, which may be happening as the economy's taken a bit of a spill, some would suggest, and that could have an impact on a company that's trying to sell $1,000 phones, no?
It could, but it also feels in some ways that Apple is recession-proof. I mean, we have a winners and losers economy, and Apple sells a lot of iPhones, but it sells to a lot of people who really don't seem to feel the shocks the way that the rest of the economy is. So I think that they'll be able to continue the momentum in iPhone. They have a good product. Maybe it takes a little bit of a hit, but I don't think that's going to be a serious issue for the company.
You have an appropriately named company, Big Technology founder, because it's been a big technology kind of year for stocks, right? Number one, are you surprised by what you've seen, and do you think it can continue?
Yes, I'm surprised. I mean, I think the main thing that's driving this is the AI narrative, which came out of nowhere. So that's a big part of it. The other thing is we've had the stock buybacks. So if you have this financial manipulation and you have a big narrative, that can propel companies even in a time where all the odds are stacked against each other. Now, can it keep going? I mean, why not, right? It seems like these factors will continue to be in play. And then we're also going to have, the Fed. I mean, of course, we're hearing now maybe a couple more rate raises. But once they pause, I mean, you expect that these companies, even though maybe it's baked in a little bit, but they're going to start ripping.
You mentioned the AI narrative, in your words, coming out of nowhere. What should we make of that? The fact that all of a sudden you had something come out of nowhere, take the market completely by storm. Everybody is talking about AI. It's led to a lot of the incredible gains that we've seen thus far. That make you nervous at all that it seemingly came out of nowhere? Maybe it didn't really come out of nowhere, but the market seems to have noticed it all at once.
It's a little too frothy for my liking. I mean, it's a narrative that emerged out of nowhere. That's the generative AI narrative. And that often gets kind of meshed into the fact that AI is in companies across the economy, which, by the way, we've been talking about major advances since 2015. So it's not like, all of a sudden AI is here, but then you see a company like NVIDIA going up 180% in the year on the strength of AI. So I think that generative AI has created, for a lot of people, this iPhone moment, right? But we haven't yet seen the iPhone product. And if you think about how much the narrative has bolstered these companies, is there going to come a point where the market's going to say, well, when's the rubber going to meet the road? Where's that iPhone for us? And if that happens, we could start to see a little bit of a drawback based off of the enthusiasm that we've had up until this point.